Once upon a time, in a vibrant town nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there lived a boy named Leo. Leo had an unwavering passion for football. His eyes would light up like the stars at the mere mention of the game, and his heart would beat in rhythm with the bouncing of a football. Every afternoon, after school, Leo would rush to the old field behind his house, his football tucked securely under his arm. The field was his sanctuary, a place where he could be free, a place where he could dream. With every kick, every dribble, and every goal, Leo felt alive. The townsfolk would often watch from their windows, marveling at the boy's dedication. They saw not just a child playing, but a future star honing his craft. Leo's love for the game was infectious, and soon, other children joined him on the field. Together, they formed a team, a band of dreamers united by their love for football. As the sun set each day, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Leo and his friends would play until the stars appeared, their laughter echoing through the town. They didn't have the fanciest gear or the best shoes, but they had something more important: they had heart. Leo's dream was to play in the big leagues, to hear the roar of the crowd as he scored the winning goal. And every night, before he closed his eyes, he would make a wish upon the brightest star, hoping that one day, his dream would come true. Years passed, and Leo grew into a fine young player. His skills on the field were unmatched, and his name became known far and wide. Scouts from the city came to watch him play, their eyes filled with wonder at his talent. And then, one day, it happened. A letter arrived, sealed with the emblem of a prestigious football academy. Leo had been offered a scholarship, a chance to turn his dreams into reality. The town celebrated, for they knew that one of their own was about to embark on a grand adventure. As Leo packed his bags, he looked out at the old field one last time. It was more than just a patch of grass, it was where a boy with a football had dared to dream. And so, with his heart full of hope and his football at his side, Leo set off to conquer the world, one goal at a time.